Hi guys, how is everybody? Welcome to Serita Sunshine YouTube channel. My name is Sarah. Okay, today I came late. I want to prepare dinner with you. I want to show you what I'm preparing for dinner today. That is Githeri. Today I'm making Githeri with you guys, and I'm going to show you detail by detail. So these are our ingredients. We have our Githeri here. We have our pumpkin, potatoes, we have some carrots, tomatoes, onions, and dania or parsley. This is all we need, guys. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our Githeri. Let me show you how to do Githeri. Yeah, I'll show you everything, guys. So I intended to do only pumpkin malenge, but sikujua I had only small one left. That's why I decided to add some potatoes. Otherwise I could have done only pumpkin and Githeri. Pumpkin, Githeri, all the other ingredients apart from potatoes. Okay guys, let's get started. So guys, this is our very little oil. Then we add our onions. Kadania kameingia. Sawa. We add some onions. When the onions are ready, we add some tomatoes. Stir very well. We allow it to cook. We add some salt. I don't do spices, guys. Then we allow the tomatoes to cook. I think the tomatoes are done. Okay. So that we can add our carrots. Look at this, guys. If you want spices, you can add right here. Then at this stage, you can add potatoes and our malenge. Then you allow it to cook for a few minutes. Let's cover. You cover and allow to cook for a few minutes. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We let them cook for a few minutes. Then we add some water or broth. Then stay tuned, guys. Guys, you can just add some water and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Let's allow it to cook. You can see the progress of our food, guys. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah. Guys, at this point we can now add our Githeri and simmer for like 10 minutes. Yeah, and it will be ready. I will show you the final product, guys. The final product. So guys, at this point our githeri is ready. Let's add dania. Our dania. Siwezi nikaitupa. Hey. Then we switch off the gas. We cover our food. We cover our food for 3 minutes and our food is ready. I will show you the final product, guys. You see our food, guys. Naona chakula yetu venye iko sawa. Our githeri is cooked. Acheni niwaoneshe the final product. Let me plate it, then I show you. Look at our food, guys. That is our githeri. You see? That is our food. That's our dinner for today. Our dinner is ready, guys. You see? That's what we are going to have for dinner. Look at this. This is what we are having for dinner, guys. Let me taste and tell you how it tastes. Wow, very nice. Look at this. Dinner is nice, sweet. So guys, let me enjoy the dinner. Bye bye. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Kindly subscribe, comment, like and share with your friends. Bye bye, guys.